Okay, for today's video, we're gonna be going to downtown Raleigh, the streets of downtown Raleigh. And we're gonna make some noise and have some fun. Oh, there's some cars coming. Oh. I knew the second I got out of that intersection, I saw my transmitter sitting over here on this flat shelf above my shifter, and I was like, no, it's about to fall, and then it fell. It's okay though. Exhaust is sounding so fire. Hard on the brakes. I'm going too fast in my Miata, believe it or not. I hate when people say, all right, we're making our way into downtown. This is what it looks like from the north side. So we're heading south right now. Up to make the rest of them. Made it through. There's a cop right there. We're chilling, we're chilling. Oh boy. Nah, we're good, we're good. I gotta turn at some point. I think at the next light. I wasn't planning on going through that fast, but if I would have kept going for 2 more seconds, that would have been the whole downtown for you. These roads are so bad. Oh. This feels like Massachusetts right now. I don't know how y'all do it up north. That's crazy. The roads are, they're good here compared to the ones up north, and I couldn't imagine driving a static car. What is this fool doing? That's an Uber. My guy, this is a one-way. How unfortunate. Okay, well, I need to, you know what? There we go. Take me over there. Yep, I kind of know I gotta go right here. Judging by that sign. I got a little bit itch in my head, but I can't get it because I have this hat on. Nice. I used all my luck coming into downtown with the red lights. And now I'm getting all the red lights. Just squeaking along. This Range Rover is about to go around me. Yep. Haha. I would have gone over one more to give him room to for him to go. That was nice. That was also a good reminder for me to get more camber next time I get my alignment. The first time I got my alignment, he gave me all the camber, and this thing was so much fun. But the next time, I think somebody else did it at the same shop, and he kind of dialed it back a little bit, and I was okay with that. But I did feel like the front end was a little loose over there. So, look forward to doing that. But I think that's a good way to end the video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Don't hit the like button. And yeah, I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.